What if I told you that the difference between a small business that's drowning in work and one that's scaling fast comes down to about 10 tools? Not 10 employees, not 10 years of experience, 10 tools. And the crazy part? Most small business owners have never even heard of half of them. According to a 2024 report by Statista, the global SaaS market is worth over $315 billion, and it's growing every single year. The businesses tapping into this? They're winning. The ones ignoring it? They're falling behind. Today, we're going through the 10 best SaaS tools for small businesses in 2026, and by the end of this, you're going to want to open 10 tabs and maybe even rethink how you're running your entire business. Number 10. QuickBooks Online. Let's start with money, because without managing it properly, nothing else matters. QuickBooks Online is the gold standard for small business accounting. It handles invoicing, payroll, tax preparation, and expense tracking all in one place. Over 7 million businesses worldwide use QuickBooks, and for good reason. It connects directly to your bank, categorizes transactions automatically, and generates profit and loss reports in seconds. The simple start plan begins at around $17.5 per month. If you're still managing your finances in a spreadsheet, you're spending hours doing what QuickBooks does in minutes. But once your money is handled, the next problem is getting customers. Number 9. HubSpot CRM. Here's a wild stat. Businesses that use a CRM see sales increase by an average of 29%, according to Salesforce research. HubSpot's free CRM is one of the most powerful tools a small business can use to track leads, manage pipelines, and close deals faster. You can store up to 1 million contacts at no cost. It integrates with Gmail, Outlook, and over 1,000 other apps. HubSpot removes the guesswork from your sales process and replaces it with data. And when you're ready to grow, their paid plans scale with you. But closing deals is only half the battle. Your team still needs to communicate. Number 8. Slack. For internal communication, email is basically obsolete, and Slack proved it. Over 10 million people use Slack daily, and businesses that switch from email to Slack report saving up to 32% of their time spent on internal communication, according to Slack's own productivity research. You can organize conversations by project, department, or client. You can share files, search message history, and integrate it with almost every tool on this list. The free plan is solid for small teams, and the pro plan starts at just $7.25 per user per month. And once communication is fixed, chaos usually shifts to organization. But even with perfect communication, things can still feel messy if everything isn't organized in one place. Number 7. Notion. And that's exactly where Notion comes in. If your team is scattered across Google Docs, Word files, sticky notes, and random email threads, Notion fixes all of that. Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, and organize everything from project roadmaps to company wikis. It launched in 2016 and now has over 30 million users. The flexibility is unmatched. You can build custom databases, track tasks with Kanban boards, create client-facing documents, and manage meeting notes all in one place. The free plan covers most small business needs, and the Plus plan is only $8 per user per month. Number 6. Canva. You don't need a graphic designer on staff anymore. Canva has over 170 million users as of 2024 and is one of the fastest-growing SaaS platforms on the planet. It gives small businesses access to professional-grade design templates for social media posts, presentations, proposals, logos, and more. The drag-and-drop editor means anyone on your team can create polished visuals in minutes. The free version is incredibly powerful, and Canva Pro at around $12.99 per month unlocks premium templates, a brand kit, and background remover. Number 5. Zoom. Remote work isn't going anywhere. Zoom became essential during the pandemic and stayed that way. With over 300 million daily meeting participants at its peak, and still one of the most widely used video conferencing platforms in the world, Zoom lets small businesses run client calls, team meetings, webinars, and training sessions from anywhere. The free plan allows 40-minute meetings with up to 100 participants. The Pro plan at $13.32 per month per user removes the time limit and adds cloud recording. Simple, reliable, and universally understood. Number 4. MailChimp. Email marketing delivers an average return of $36 for every $1 spent, according to Litmus's 2024 email marketing report. MailChimp makes it accessible for every small business. With a free plan covering up to 500 contacts and 1,000 emails per month, it's an easy starting point. You get drag-and-drop email builders, automated welcome sequences, audience segmentation, and detailed performance analytics. As your list grows, paid plans start at $13 per month. If you're not building an email list, you're leaving serious money on the table. Number 3. Trello. Project management doesn't have to be complicated. Trello uses a simple card and board system that any team can learn in under 10 minutes. It's built on the Kanban methodology and lets you visualize your workflow from start to finish. Over 2 million teams use Trello to manage projects, and it integrates seamlessly with Slack, Google Drive, and dozens of other tools. The free plan is one of the most generous in the industry, allowing unlimited cards and up to 10 boards per workspace. For growing teams, the standard plan is only $5 per user per month. Number 2. Google Workspace. Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, is the backbone of millions of small businesses. For as little as $6 per user per month, you get Gmail with a custom business domain, Google Drive with 30 gigabytes of storage, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Meet, and Calendar, all in one subscription. Over 3 billion people use Google's apps, and the collaboration features are unmatched. Multiple team members can work on the same document simultaneously, and everything is saved automatically in the cloud. If you need one foundational platform to run your business on, this is it. Number 1. Zapier. And now the one that makes everything else in this video even more powerful. Zapier connects over 7,000 apps and automates tasks between them without any coding required. For example, every time someone fills out your contact form, Zapier can automatically add them to your HubSpot CRM, send them a welcome email through MailChimp, and create a Trello card for your sales team, all without you lifting a finger. No coding, no manual work. Just pure automation running in the background 24/7. Over 2 million businesses use Zapier, and users report saving an average of 10 hours per week on manual tasks. The free plan allows 100 automated tasks per month, and paid plans start at $19.99 per month. There you have it. 10 tools that are actively changing how small businesses operate in 2026. QuickBooks for your finances, HubSpot for your sales, Slack for your team communication, Notion for organization, Canva for design, Zoom for meetings, MailChimp for email marketing, Trello for project management, Google Workspace as your foundation, and Zapier to tie everything together. The businesses using these tools aren't just saving time. They're creating systems that let them grow without burning out. You don't need to implement all 10 overnight. Start with 2 or 3 that solve your biggest headaches right now and build from there. If you're ready to stop the burnout and start scaling, hit like and subscribe to join the community. I've also linked a quick start tool guide in the description with my top tips for setting up these 10 tools, plus all the links and checklists you need to get moving. Go grab them and let's get to work.